Okay, if we want to find the slope between these 2 points, the formula for slope, m is slope. It's y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. That is your rise divided by your run. Now, rise is up and down. Run is side to side. Hint, isn't your y-axis up and down? And your x-axis side to side? Rise over run. Now the next thing you have to realize, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. This is your first coordinate and your second coordinate. It's always xy, first coordinate, second coordinate. So basically what you're going to do is subtract the y's and subtract the x's and divide them. That is your slope. It describes the growth of your graph, how steep it is. So in this particular problem, it looks like we're going to be doing these two. So I got a negative 8 minus 1. That goes on top. And on bottom, it looks like we have a 1 minus negative 2. 1 minus a negative 2. Together, the top gives you a negative 9. The bottom looks like it's going to become a 3. And then negative 9 divided by 3 reduces to negative 3. So my answer, my slope is negative 3. That is my answer. Meaning, it's a downward hill slope, negative 3 over 1. Negative 3 is really over 1, because all numbers are over 1. Now, if I want to find the slope of this particular line, the first thing I need to do is find 2 points. So I first look at my y-axis. Usually I have a nice little point on my y-axis, right there. Then I go over to the right. When I go to 1, see the 1 here? When I go up, is that intersection point at a nice number? No. So let's go 1 over. At 2, when I go up, do I hit a nice little point? No. At 3, when I go up, do I hit it nicely? Yes. See how nice that hit is right there? You go over to each number, and you go up until you have a nice, pretty hit with one of these y-axis pieces. Then your slope is how far up and how far over it is between those 2 points. And if you can count here, it's up 4 and it's over 3. So my slope again is rise over run. So what's my rise? Is it 4 or 3? My rise is the 4. My run is over 3. Can you reduce that? No. Now, second question. Is this up or down? Is it uphill or downhill? Downhill. This is from left to right, we're going uphill. If it was going downhill, this would be a negative. Since this is going uphill, it's a positive slope. Again, if it was going downhill, remember, this is a positive slope. This is a negative slope. Got it? What's a flat line? That's a 0 slope. And a vertical line is undefined. A vertical line is undefined. A flat is 0. Uphill is positive, downhill is negative. This is uphill. So